Hi everyone, welcome back to Chill and Trade TV. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on that notification bell. And if you're back here again, welcome back. So in this week's video, we'll be keeping up with Cadchf and Euro USD. So if you haven't watched the previous analysis videos I did on these two pairs, just go back there so that you can be updated with what we are going to do here. So I hope you guys got this nice trading opportunity as mentioned in the previous video that we were looking for these buy setups. I hope you guys capitalized on them like I did. So we were looking for once price gets to these highs, once price gets to these highs, we're actually looking for a push to the downside, a reversal to the downside. Let me just get rid of that. We were looking for price now to reverse because this would have given us a double top. First top there and then the second top there. We were looking for price to drop down. However, ladies and gentlemen, remember we don't control the market. We don't control the market. So as it stands, price seems to be going higher, creating a new higher high because it broke the previous high. So let me just get rid of these drawings so that we have a nice clean chart to look at. All right, all right, all right, all right. Great stuff, great stuff. As I said, price broke the previous high and looks like it's continuing to make higher highs. So let me just go down to the lower time frame because basically the daily time frame doesn't really show us much except that price is breaking highs, previous highs. What is this now? Let me just get rid of this. And if you want to trade with a recommended FSC regulated broker, please click on the link in the description down below. As we continue, so as I said, we were looking for sales, but price broke the previous high, and this might seem to be a continuation pattern to the upside. It might be a continuation pattern to the upside because it also broke and retested. So we have confluence that price might just continue to the upside. And because let me go back to the daily time frame. Let me just go back to the daily time frame. This pattern might just extend like that, like that. Because this push up is looking aggressive, is looking a bit aggressive. So we just have to do that. And let me get rid of this. Cater for the most recent touches. Cater for the most recent touches. Those lows, both those lows, that. So, see, now this makes a bit more sense. Price might still want to continue all the way until that high. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, this high now is going to be a medium term high, but the overall move for catch-up is to the downside. Is to the downside. So we might be looking for possible continuation to the highs, to those highs, to those highs, because we have a break retest and a continuation pattern as well as price broke above the previous highs. their previous highs. So that's like three things you can look at, confirm that okay, price is continuing to the upside, as well as this pattern, this outer pattern, this pattern, ladies and gentlemen. Let me just circle it. This pattern, this pattern. So we have this first touch there, second touch there, and a possible third touch. And then once price gets there, ladies and gentlemen, it's then now I'll be looking for the cells because this pattern would have completed. So if we focus on the current market structure or current price action, as I mentioned that there's a bit of confluence here. There's a bit of confluence. So let me go to the H1 because that's where I usually take my trades. So I'll be looking for price to just break out of this pattern, and then that will give me enough confidence to say okay, this push up is continuing, is continuing, this push up is still continuing. So once it gives me this breakout, I'm going to wait for another pattern, ladies and gentlemen, another pattern, and then I'm going to enter at the breakout of the second pattern. I'm only going to enter once price gives me another continuation pattern and not on this one. But if you guys are more of riskier traders, or you feel like okay, this is a possible entry, you could enter, wait for the market to play out on Monday, to open on Monday, and then enter.